Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to completely solo a rift in Anime Vanguard. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. To survive all 20 waves of high HP enemies entirely on your own, standard units won't cut it, so let's get your specific roster built first. First, make sure you equip Monarch Aims, as his aura of the Overlord and powerful summoning spells are completely essential for keeping massive groups of enemies under control. Next, bring Monarch Shanks along to act as your absolute main late-game carry, since he has the best solo boss damage scaling in the entire game. You will also need to equip Weather Report, which is basically mandatory because his Acid Rain and Cloud Slow abilities will perfectly group up the mobs and prevent them from leaking past your defenses. Finally, grab Fortune Nami to round out your squad. She is hands down the best yen generator available, and maxing your economy early is the real secret to surviving a solo run. Now that you are loaded into the map, your entire strategy revolves around controlling the central choke point and getting your money right. As soon as the match begins, immediately place Fortune Nami down in the Takadara spot so she can start generating that crucial yen. Next, simply drop a single very low-cost unit right at the beginning of each path to easily clear out the weaker early mobs before they reach your base. It is incredibly important that you do not overinvest your cash into damage units right now. Your primary goal is to completely max out your economy by Wave 10 so you can afford your heavy hitters. Once your economy is booming, you need to transition into crowd control and make sure your heavy hitters are in the perfect position. Start actively moving your main damage units toward the absolute center of the map, ensuring their attack range has a full 360-degree coverage of that main choke point. At the same time, make sure you keep your weather report active constantly, using that acid rain to melt away enemy shields and the slow effect to bunch up the mobs for massive area of effect damage. For the final stretch of the match, it becomes a pure boss melting race, where timing actually matters more than raw damage. As soon as you hit Wave 16, immediately pour all of your hard-earned yen into maxing out Shanks, because his Divine Departure attack can literally one-shot most of the elite enemies. Finally, when you reach the massive Wave 20 boss, hold off on using Aim's summoning spell until the boss is right in the choke point, then pop those summons to perfectly distract him while your towers slowly burn his health bar down to 0. And that's it! You now know the exact team setup and strategy needed to solo a rift in Anime Vanguard. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.